Hello everyone. So the topic for this video is not being a noob. Noob is an English word whose meaning is a person who is inexperienced in a particular activity, especially computing or the use of internet. Let me explain you this with an example. Let's imagine that someone came to my office and said that can you please help me in hacking my girlfriend's Facebook account, as I am pretty sure that there is something she is hiding which I want to know. So my answer to that was a clear no. He was upset and went his home. Next day he came again to me and said the same thing, that I want to hack my girlfriend's Facebook account and I have got some tools to do so. But there is a little error. Can you please help me with that? So let me explain you a bit about the tool. The tool had a full black background with a green colored font which makes you feel like a hacker. When you opened that tool, there was a input field which says write the username or an email address you want to hack. He quickly entered the girlfriend's email address. The another thing that was there onto the tool was a button with the text click here to hack. He quickly clicked on that button hack and something started processing. It processed for 80%, 90%, 99% and 100%. At the end of the process bar, there was an alert which appeared saying successfully hacked. Kindly enter your credentials to log in and continue to see the password. So, out of excitement, he quickly entered his email address and password into the application, and when he logged in, an error appeared which says oops, server error, try again later. So then he said, I was very close but this error appeared. But do you know what happened during this process? I want you to pause this video for 5 minutes and think. Yes, so he went to hack the girlfriend's account, but he ended up putting his own credentials into the fake account. All the hacking tools that are available on internet are meant to hack you. They are never going to give you any access to anyone's account. You cannot hack $1 million company like Facebook by just a free or a paid tool. If it is, everyone would be hacked till now. Everyone around the world would have hacked each other, and there would be nothing like security if it is. But finding technical flaws and getting access to the accounts is altogether a different perspective known as security testing or VAPT. So my suggestion to you is you should never ever search for any free hacking tools on internet. Most of the times those free hacking tools are hoaxed, doxed or backdoor tool. What do I mean by this backdoor? So I mean that a tool is decompiled by an attacker. They put their malicious code inside it, they repack the tool, and then they give and distribute the tool for free everywhere. When you run that tool, the attacker gets the session or access to your computer, and then he steals your data from your computer. All these what I am talking about in theory, we are going to see everything in depth with practical in further videos. Thank you.